Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun. Good morning, honorable representatives of the DP3 IKB, Departments of Women Empowerment, Child Protection, Population Control, and Family Plannings of West Java Province. Respected judges, teachers, and distinguished guests, and our proud fellow participants of this speech competition, my name is Mazaya Lubna representing SMPT Fatahillah Cileungsi. Today, I would like to deliver a speech entitled Somya Sunda, a Living Heritage in Bandung. Bandung is not only known as the Paris of Java, but also as a city rich in history and culture. One of the most unforgettable historical moments is the Bandung Lautan Api in 1946. At that time, the people of Bandung chose to run their own city rather than let it be occupied by the enemy. It was a painful sacrifice, but it showed courage, unity, and love for their homeland. From this history, we learn something important. Strength is not only about power, but also about values. One of those values is Somya Sunda. Somya Sunda means being kind, friendly, and respectful to others. But if we look deeper, it is more than just politeness. It is a reflection of humility, empathy, and strong character. And that includes a meaningful philosophy from the Sundanese culture known as Siliasa, Siliasi, Siliasa. This philosophy comes from the traditions of the Sundanese people in West Java, Indonesia. It teaches us how to live in harmony with others. First, Siliasa means to educate and improve one another. It reminds us that learning is not only from teachers, but also from friends and people around us. We grow by sharing knowledge. Second, Siliasi means to love and care for each other. In our daily lives, we should show kindness, respect, and empathy. Even a small act of kindness can make a big difference. Third, Siliasu means to guide and protect one another. It encourages us to support others, especially those who need help, and to create a safe and positive environment together. In conclusion, Siliasa, Siliasi, Siliasu teaches us to learn together, love each other, and care for one another. If we apply these values in our daily lives, we can build a strong and peaceful community. Although I was not raised in Bandung, my roots are there. My grandmother and my family comes from Bandung, and that makes me feel deeply connected and proud. Even in difficult times like Bandung Lautan Api, the Sundanese people still held into their values, respecting each other, helping one another, and maintaining harmony. However, in today's modern life, we are facing a different challenge. Technology is growing rapidly, but sometimes our attitude becomes colder. We connect online, but we disconnect in real life. This is where Somya Sunda becomes more important than ever. Ladies and gentlemen, based on judging criteria, communication is not only about words, but also about how we deliver them. So today, I invite all of you not only to listen, but also to feel. Imagine a world where people smile sincerely, kindness is natural, and respect is given without being asked. That is the true meaning of Somya Sunda. We could start by simple actions, smiling to others, speaking politely, helping those in need, and respecting differences. My dear friends, let us bring Somya Sunda into our daily lives, in school, in our community, and even in social media. Because kindness is timeless, and culture is not something we inherit only, but something we must protect. In conclusion, Somya Sunda is not just a tradition, it is our identity. From the spirit of Bandung Lautan Api to the smiles we share today, let us continue this legacy with kindness, respect, and pride. Because a small act of kindness can make a big change. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.